So we're back with a brand new product. Check out. This is actually a pretty big box. This is the Roborock F25 mop, So we're back with a brand new product. This is actually the Roborock F25, the wet dry mop vac. It is a really heavy duty little stick vacuum mop. Let's open this up, talk a little bit about its features, and show you what it looks like. So first and foremost, it uses a really amazing V-shaped scraper with comb-like teeth to collect pet hair, human hair, and also to kind of clean the sponge and use, so that way you don't leave streaks when cleaning and you don't tangle up the brush. Ooh. Top of that in here, we've got manuals for quick start, full-size manuals, power cords, a little roller here, some floor cleaning solution given to you for free, always nice, filter, and then this is the base unit it will connect to. It's a cleaning brush. Didn't hit that. This is your arm. And then this is the actual unit right here, wrapped up, kept safe and protected for transit. So everything is kept really clean and safe. Like I said, for transit, so you don't have to worry about getting scratched, damaged, especially if you like a really clean design for your electronics. So right off the bat, this is actually the water chamber for your wastewaters. It's going to come through here. You get your max. And then down on this bottom here, this is actually where you're going to have your water for actually cleaning the unit. So the water pours in there and allows you to get water from the bottom into the unit right away and faster. This whole unit kind of comes up here for easy cleaning out and access with use, but it easily snaps into place. Okay, so this is your mop. You can see here the teeth like combs scraping. It's going to basically run through these teeth and then this little squeegee specifically for the purpose of cleaning off this brush as it goes through, which is pretty solid. That just goes right, yeah, it just goes right in there. And if you look here, this piece will go into place and then snaps. So if you're ready to pull it out, you can easily just grab that handle piece there. And that's really snug into this unit. No problems, no nothing. Additionally, the unit can actually lie flat by just popping down, and it's got a little roller, and it's designed a little roller in the handle, so that way, as it's lying flat, it will be able to roll in and through your couches, underneath areas that are really low, like tables. It can go down to about 180 degree angle fold. That way you can get really, really deep under your devices. As for this piece right here, just slips it right in there. It pops into place, you're good to go. And then they have that little film to protect the screen with your readouts right here, which we'll show you once we turn this whole unit on. While we showed you the water tank does have a filter in it, they do give you the extra one so that when this one is currently being taken out and cleaned, you can put this dry one in to let it basically do the job while you're waiting for that one to dry. Again, really easy, just slips right into place. This station here operates for twofold. First of which, it's used to keep the unit charged. It uses connectors on the feet and here, specifically to provide power into the actual unit. And then also it's got a heating vent, which is going to allow it to do two different forms of heating. You have a fast heating, which will be a little bit louder, blow a lot of air through. That one takes place over the course of a couple minutes, while they have a long-term one that's going to be a lot more quiet, that will basically heat it, dry it out, and keep it from developing mildew on your regular day-to-day. That power cord plugs right in here. And then has a covert cord holder here that allows you to pop out, and that way it can lay flat on the floor and not be in the back or easily unpulled by kids or animals or the like. But really straightforward. They say don't use water directly in here because there are the charging connectors, but you can use just a damp towel to kind of clean it off, which would be really nice. But for the most part, once you lock this in place, this will just rest right in there like so, allowing the unit to heat up, clean up, and make sure it charges up the device. Pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to actually run through, show you how the auto sensor on the unit will literally adjust to the dirtiness of the floor and what it picks up. Also show you how powerful the unit is, and show you how to fill it with water and its cleaning chemicals. We'll be right back.
Auto mode. Self-cleaning is starting, followed by quiet drying. Roller cleanliness detected. Soaking the roller.
Well, hopefully you guys found that very interesting. Hopefully it fits your needs and you picked it up for either yourself or the loved one in your life that has hardwood floors. And we will see you guys next time.